A z-score is a simple way to measure how far a data point is from the average. Let's break down what that means for investors. At its core, a z-score tells you how many standard deviations a value is from the mean of a data set. If your z-score is 0, your data point is exactly at the average. Anything above or below shows how unusual that result is. Investors use these scores to see if a stock price is deviating significantly from its historical norm, helping to spot potential overreaction. While raw price tells you what you pay, the z-score tells you if that price is statistically cheap or expensive relative to history. Most data clusters near the center. A z-score greater than 2 usually flags an event that is quite rare in a normal distribution. Remember that statistics describe what has happened, not what will happen next. Always look at the bigger picture. Use z-scores to add context to your research. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep learning about how markets move.